Marrakech is a very dynamic and lively city in Morocco. It's probably most famous for its souks, located within the Medina, which is the name for the old town. The alleys are full of nooks and crannies, so it feels a bit like a labyrinth. It's basically like a big oriental shopping center in the streets where you can buy all sorts of things. The people there produce many of their goods by themselves, so you can watch the production sometimes. There are many little shops where you can get exotic spices and fresh ingredients. You can also get healthy oils, for example the famous argan oil. It's really nice to have a break in a rooftop bar where you can relax and enjoy the view over the city. Best time for this is during the sunset. The Secret Garden is a very cool place with exotic plants. You also learn how they brought water into the gardens back then. The main square is a very dynamic place. During daytime you find many stands with fresh fruits and drinks. It's rather empty because all the little restaurant stands are every day built up for the night market before it starts. Snake charmers and guys with monkeys are everywhere, but you should expect to pay if you want to take a picture. The Sadir graves are worth a visit because of the beautiful mosaics and the historic aspect. Here you see a walk around the area where these graves are located. A fun activity is a quad tour outside of the city. The countryside is really nice, and by driving through it you get a good impression of that area. If you want to get closer to nature, you can make a visit to the Urica Valley, which is about an hour drive by car away from the city. There are 7 waterfalls you can hike to, depending on your time and fitness level. We just walked to the first one, which is still a memorable experience. Another cool thing to do is a dromedar ride. These animals are very big and powerful, but also very calm and friendly. When you ride one, you know why they are called desert chips. Here you see a glimpse of the night market again. Don't leave Marrakech without a visit there.